Let's start off with a song that we already played once. So I'm gonna connect. The words are from the recording.
Oh, je voudrais tant que tu te souviennes des jours heureux où nous étions amis. En ce temps-là, la vie était plus belle et le soleil plus brûlant qu'aujourd'hui. Les feuilles mortes se ramassent à la pelle. Tu vois, je n'ai pas oublié. Les feuilles mortes se ramassent à la pelle. Les souvenirs et les regrets aussi.
Whew, she is not messing about. Let's see if I can pick her up. I don't think so.
By my window, the falling leaves of red.
Usually she wants to see what I'm doing, and then she's quiet.
I see
Puss?
your lips.
What's all this?
The summer kisses.
At Puss, we want to look underneath you. There's some stuff you're sitting on.
Mais la vie
Puss?
sépare
Kun je niet hier even gaan zitten?
ceux qui s'aiment
No.
tout doucement.
Maar Puss,
sans faire
you already eat like half a can.
Et la mer
Well, I am almost there. Let's just finish it. Ooh, almost snapped it. Ah, shit, I was afraid of that. Thanks, pussycat. You got it. You're all wrapped around it. Puss. Ow! Fucking hell. Yeah, meow. Puss. Oh, fuck, she... No. No. Puss. I was afraid that would happen. She really likes it. But the thing is, I'm not so sure how good it is if you eat aluminum foil, pussycat. Okay, I'm gonna play with the cat. Yeah. Gonna take a look tomorrow in the shop for pets, if they got something shiny, which looks like wires or something, because she's loving wires in general.
But I miss you most of all, my darling. When autumn leaves start to fall et la mer efface sur le sable les pas des amants, des yeux.